There's one fact that I want to share with you because I think you'll find it as riveting as I did. You ready? I have eaten the same lunch every day over the course of my 22-year teaching career. But wait, that means I've eaten an estimated 3,960 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. You can applaud. You can applaud. Yep. But here's the thing. My husband, Brad, has risen early every morning and made every single one of those 3,960 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Thank you, Brad. Graduates, please take a moment to acknowledge the people here who have made your, and I'm an English teacher, so forgive me, your metaphorical peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. The friends, the family, the staff who have supported you and helped you to thrive in your time here at BHS. Let's give them some applause. Thank you. Thank you. And to the Kelley Advisory and all the Kelley Advisory adoptees, thank you. You have joined me for lunch every day for the past 3 years, and you have made every single peanut butter and jelly sandwich feel special.